Real quick before we get to this video, I want you to know that I realize you just clicked on a video of a smaller YouTuber, on a video with probably not a lot of views. And I want you to know that I appreciate that immensely. And because of that, I'm gonna try to bring you the best outdoor content that I can week after week. So please stick with me as this channel grows, and make sure to subscribe right now so that I can bring you bigger fish, bigger bucks, and the highest quality outdoor content that I can. Thank you so much for watching. Now, let's get to the video. There, we're on. This thing's just getting hammered. Yeah, nice perch. There's the fish. There we go. Good fish. Oh, this is a big one. Dude, let's get this thing in. Oh, we're getting pounded again. There we go. That's a big fish, whatever it is. Oh my gosh, it's the biggest perch I've ever seen in my life, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am in absolute shock. What is this thing? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Driftless Outdoor Dad. We are doing a little fishing here by the Fountain City Dam yet again. We are down the shore a little bit further from our normal spot trying to catch perch, walleye, really whatever bites today. It's a cold, brisk 30-degree morning, but it's calm. It's awesome. What a great day to catch some fish out here. We are gonna be throwing our line out there and trying to catch whatever bites pretty much. So stay tuned and see what happens. All right. Oh my gosh, this thing's just getting hammered. I have one on here. See if it's still there. There, we're on. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah, nice perch. Yeah, heck yeah. Whoa, into the rocks. Just had to change. Ooh, look at this guy. This guy's gotten bit before. Let's wash him off. Oh, he's been attacked before. Yikes. What a beautiful fish. That's a great perch. Into the bucket. Awesome. Oh, we're getting pounded again. Wow, I didn't think this spot would be so hot. There we go. Ooh, that's a big fish, whatever it is. This is not a perch. If it is, it's really big. Oh my gosh, it's the biggest perch I've ever seen in my life, you guys. Oh, I need to land this thing. Oh. Get on shore, get on shore, get on shore. You guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys. Oh my. Oh. Oh my. You guys. I am in absolute shock. What is this thing? What a mutant. Oh my, look at this fish. Look at this fish. What in the world? Oh my gosh. I gotta get the tape measure out for this one. Oh my gosh. Look at how gigantic this perch is. Okay, this is a, oh my. This is a 13. That's a 13.5-inch perch. Oh my. What a ridiculous fish. Oh my gosh. That thing's amazing. Huge. Okay, you guys, I am so pumped about this. I can't even hold me so big. This just humongous perch I just caught. Oh my gosh, look at that fish. Just chunky, humongous perch. thing's huge. Okay, let's put him in the bucket. There's a fish. Haha. And not big. Down really liked the drag. The slow drag. This one, I caught this one pretty shallow actually. Very small. It's probably the smallest one I've ever caught down here. See ya. This one just got hammered. There we go. Ooh, it's another good fish. Let's see if we can get a keeper here. It's a good fish. It's a perch. Good perch. Yeah, I think I'll keep that one. Good perch. Oh, whoa, whoa. That's disgusting. Ugh. Well, they're spawning, that's for sure. Yuck. Yuck. All right. Whoa, yuck, dude. This thing's just spraying everywhere. All right. There's another perch. We're keeping it. Here we go. What the? This guy's just camping out on the beach. All right. Oh, hammered. Feels all right. Not a giant, but a good one. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, another. Oh, my worm. No. Get over here, worm. Yeah, got it. It's a good one. Whoops. Oh. Whoa, well, there he is. Into the bucket. Here, this one's got one on. Let's see if we can get him here. Ah, shoot. All right, well, we're getting pounded already. Here we go. That one's getting pounded too. Oh my gosh, that one's going in the river. Look at this one. See if we can get them both. Oh, he let go. I got this one. Not a giant. This one's actually going back. Beauty. All right. See ya. But this one was getting pounded too. That was fast. This one's on. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big perch. Dude, let's get this thing in. This one's a tanker. Come on, baby. Get in here. Get in here. Yes. Oh, it's a walleye. What the? That's the first one I've caught here. That's a nice walleye, too. Wow. He's going to be close. Let's measure him up. That is the first walleye that I've caught down here in the sand. That's awesome. What a dream. Look at that thing, you guys. Whoa, until I drop him in the sand. He's gonna be really close to 15. He's gonna be, well, he's less than 15, that's for sure. He's about 14. Sweet. Oh, it broke. Oh, my rod just broke. No way. Oh, what a bummer. Look at that. I was just casting that out. That thing broke. Oh, that's a huge bummer, dude. Not an expensive rod, but that sucks. That really sucks. Oh, this one's getting pounded way out there. There, we're on. On is out a lot deeper. Get around all these sticks here. Get them in. Oh yeah, that's a good one. There we go. That's what we're after there. That one is out kind of deep. Nice fish. What a bright, sunny day out here. Beautiful fish. Great color. Awesome. Oh. Hey, hold that sucker up. That's awesome. Did you measure him or no? What was he?
Probably like right around 30.
Yeah. Hope you didn't think he was a big walleye. That's disappointing.
That first head kick always gets it.
Oh, this one's going. Finally. There we go. There we go. Not a giant, but a good one. Oh boy, hopefully we don't make a mess here. Get off the tree. Yeah, another good one. I think we'll keep it. Oh, he really gutted that sucker. Shoot. Well, it's a good thing I'm keeping him. Darn it. Gotta retie. But here's another good one going on the stringer. What's up? There's a couple biting over there. You got one right now or no? Oh.
That's pretty good, yep.
In this spot or somewhere else? Yeah. Well, good luck.